Hey guys, welcome to Isaiah's Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Alfawise S100 Sonic toothbrush, electric toothbrush. This closely resembles the Sonicare that we know and love, and this can be found for under $20 online, anywhere between $20 and $30. I'll leave the cheapest link down below, down in the description, so if you're interested in this, make sure to check down there. And I'll leave a link to the replacement brush heads, but we'll get more into that here in a little bit. This is the packaging it comes in. Mighty flimsy, but you get a shipping box, so no biggie. And your manual, which we don't need manuals. And you also get this charging stand, which it's a little cradle. We've seen these little style cradles before with actual Sonicare toothbrushes. So the toothbrush just sits in there ever so gently, but you get a USB end to this, which is kind of oddish, and you have to supply your own adapter. That's no big deal. It could be a big deal, it could not be a big deal. I don't know, it depends on who you are, but I have a bazillion adapters lying around, so it wasn't a big deal to me. You also get a case. The case isn't bad at all, and inside is a rattly around brush head cover, but you get two brush heads. Now the brush heads here are on the soft side. That's been my only complaint about it. So if you like soft bristles, you'll definitely want to pique some interest in this. But here's your carrying case for it. And last but not least, the toothbrush itself. Now you get a bunch of cleaning modes, and the cleaning modes highly reflect the Sonicare. Now this is the most aggressive, the best, the newest Sonicare one here, which has the more powerful setting on it. And this one actually closely relates to the Sonicare cleaning power. The Sonicare brushes, though, are a little stronger, and I think that allows for a more powerful cleaning action in your mouth. The soft bristles, I think, absorb from this S100, absorb a lot of the power in the head itself. So I wish they would make, I wish you could find a stiffer brush head. If you could, I think this would rival the Sonicare for a fraction of the price. Super cheap. But anyway, let's talk about some of the settings on the toothbrush itself. So we have clean mode, sensitive, massage, white, and polish. They recommend starting out with massage if you've never owned a Sonicare brush before. Start with that to get you used to it, because it does super tickle your gums, and then move your way up to clean, which is the most powerful mode. To turn it on, you just press on and you tap to go through all the modes. Just tap the power button like so. You go through the modes until it turns off, and boom, you're back to clean. But then you long press to turn it off, and then when you long press again or short press again, it will come back on the setting that you used to have it on. Now the S100 reminds me the most of the previous generation to the newest Sonicare with a more powerful setting. So if I knocked the newest one down and you put it on the most powerful setting, it would be identical to the S100. So that's not a terrible thing. You're actually paying less than probably what you would for the past generation Sonicare that had the strongest setting that mirrors this one. So you know, you're still getting a good deal. So now we're going to perform the water test between the Sonicare and the S100. Sonicare on the left, S100 on the right. Just remember, the Sonicare has the more powerful sonic action and a firm brush head, and you can really see that oxygen force through that water because of that. And the S100, the softer bristles and the kind of last generation power in comparison to the Sonicare shows here, but it also flips and flops out water out of the glass about equal, and you can just see the soft bristles hindering that propulsion through the water, but it's still there. And I think that if you prefer soft bristles or you have to have them, the S100 would do just fine. I think if you put soft bristles on that Sonicare, you'd see a diminished propulsion rate too. So in closing, the S100 is pretty good for the price. I recommend it. I've been using it for about a week or so, and I like a firm brush head. This is on the soft side, so if you like a softer brush head, I'd say it's a no-brainer to go check it out. I'll leave links below. And make sure to explode on that subscribe button and ding that dong so you get notified on the next pretty cool, cheap little tech thing that I recommend. So yeah.